What is a Google Chrome account? A Google Chrome account is a feature of Chrome that allows you to save your Google Chrome settings to the cloud and synchronize them with other computers. If you don't understand the word cloud, don't be worried. We will soon have another episode explaining the cloud to you. Once it's ready, there'll be a link up above my head. It can be very handy to sync your data if, like me, you access the web on multiple computers. But it can also be useful if you want to make sure that all your settings are backed up, so that if something goes wrong with your computer, you can replace the computer, sync all of your settings back to the new one. Let's see how it's done.
In Chrome, head up to the top right corner and click on the Head and Shoulders or People icon. If there's a name there, you might already be signed in. Otherwise, click Sign in to Chrome. Sign in with your Google account, like the one we made in the last video. Enter the password. I don't need to protect this account, but it's probably worth having an email and phone number in there just in case you do have a problem with your account. Chrome will now tell you you've signed in and turned on sync. So your bookmarks, history, passwords and other settings will be synced to your Google account so you can use them on your other devices. And it will also allow Google to personalize your Google services so that you get more correct search ads and other things on Google. Okay, got it. So once you're signed in, your settings will sync and the name of the account appears up there in the top right corner where the people icon was before. So once you're signed in, all your settings will sync and any other computer you sign into Chrome on will get all of your settings delivered to it. Another strength of this system is the ability to create multiple Chrome accounts. If you have a personal account and a home account, you can go to the People menu again, which is now the name, click Manage People, and add another person, repeating the entire process. Add a person, and we want to call this Home. Pick a picture for it and add. And we get a new Chrome that we can sign into. Sign in with our new account. Click through the protection example. Now we have a second Chrome window open with all the details and settings for the new account. In a similar way that we did with incognito mode, you can have two separate Google accounts open and keep your home and work life separate easily.
Okay, I hope that was useful. At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to help you feel comfortable with your computer. We're here to guide you each step of the way so you can be comfortable with your technology and make the best use of it. We release new videos every weekend and would love you to subscribe. If you have a question or a comment, just pop it in the comments below. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much for watching.